I'm Dina Stars, and a lot of people know me as Didi. 7 years that I've been volunteering here at Harris Center, staying home, raising my 3 daughters. I didn't have any current job skills. When I started back to school, it was really out of necessity, and it really was a case of starting over with nothing, and it was really scary. The car that I'm using, it broke down, and I think this is it. And somebody in the background heard me. They just overheard me, and they said, "I think that qualifies for a student emergency." And she said, "Oh, here, let me see. Oh, yeah, here." And so they asked me to get the quote, and it was like $574. And they said, "Okay, well, who's the mechanic?" And they wrote the check to the shop, and just like that, the car is done. Is like the next day, and I'm back on track. And that's where I felt like I can figure this out. What I would like to say about the donors that donate is that by giving, you create this sense of community, and that's also part of what has happened to me through this whole process, is that I feel a sense of belonging. The Student Emergency Fund, to me, took a big obstacle, the broken down car, and created this pathway to success.
There is no better time than right now to make your gift to the Student Emergency Fund. So I encourage you to go to the website for the Los Rios Colleges Foundation and make your gift today.